So the question was, what kind of family do I see moving here? Okay. I think the next buyer that's going to move here will be looking for their forever family home, sort of that place that their kids are going to leave from. They might currently be in a smaller home and they're looking for sort of the extra space and size. We have a beautiful deep backyard here with a pool, so it's like an amazing summer oasis back there with a massive rec room in the basement for kids. Kennedy West holds a special place in my heart because I raised my kids here. I used to drive down Kennedy before I turned onto my street and had this feeling like I'm home. It's close to schools and parks. It's just a really family-friendly neighborhood where you have certain streets that still have street parties, basically steps away from downtown Aurora, and all amenities are so close. So one of the things that makes this home unique compared to some of the other houses in the area is really the extensive renovations that have been done. First of all, it has a 3-car garage, which many of the homes don't have. It has an oversized lot with southern exposure. The attention to detail and the renovations that have been done are just superlative. For family living, just this whole open concept lends itself beautifully. I can't wait to welcome you home to 369 Kennedy Street West.